Boy, have I got some explaining to do. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to ADM Tech. It's been a minute, hasn't it? Long story short, I've been away, things have been happening. I have filmed videos, I just haven't, I just wasn't satisfied with what I was making. I had planned for a big video to be released this week, but the problem is that the thing that's coming this week isn't here yet. So I've actually ordered some more stuff to try and compensate for that. You'll see it, okay? I'm really excited. We're back on the grind. There's so much to talk about this week, but tonight's focus is the Motorola RAZR V2. This came out of bloody nowhere. I saw that there was a few renders like the other day. I had no idea when it was being released or what to expect from it. All I saw was like 3 or 4 photos, and I instantly knew this is the best folding phone. I'm going to say it. Motorola RAZR V2 is the best folding smartphone. That's your title. That's your bloody statement, right? Because trust me, right? People know the RAZR brand. People who have experienced RAZR in the past will see this and think, wow, this is literally it. And I'm telling you right now, this is what Samsung needs to do with the Z Flip. But Motorola have beat them to the punch. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. This is what folding phones need to be. It's exactly what I've been saying for like the past few weeks. This is what folding phones need to be. I'm just going to say it. Absolutely. So we need to run down on some specs. We've got a 5G processor in there. It's running the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, so it's not quite, it's not quite flagship level, but it's going to do you, and it's going to do you fine. But the battery inside this isn't amazing, so they've probably done that for a bit of sort of power saving thoughts, really. It comes with 256 gigabytes of storage, and it runs with 8 gigabytes of RAM. That's completely fine. So it's got quite a small battery. I put the specs up because I can't see it on here, but it's got turbo power, which basically it gives you hours of power within just minutes of charging. So that's all good stuff. We've got to talk about that launcher on the small screen. Honestly, Gen 3, Gen 4 of this product, I could see myself having it. I genuinely could. This is exactly what I want from a folding smartphone. I don't want anything bigger. If anything, I want things smaller. I said this about privacy. How many things are we on about privacy at the minute? This is it. I'm honestly telling you, this is the best folding smartphone. Okay, your Z Flips, I get it. Your Z Folds, I get it. Right, but this is just this. I actually feel something with this, and it's nostalgia, it's excitement. I know the fact that Motorola, they're a trusted company. They don't blow Android that much either. You can tell I'm quite excited, can't you? So just judging on this website then. So there is a 6.2 inch OLED main display that folds in half. Flip it, unlock it, swipe and type comfortably with just one hand. I like your language, Motorola. Interactive quick view display, that's your display on the front. View notifications, make calls, take selfies, reply to messages, play songs, get directions, ask Google Assistant, and much more. I've seen you can play Spotify in it as well. There's a 48 megapixel camera system inside there. That's got OIS and quad pixel technology. It also has 4 times better low light sensitivity as well. Unbelievable 5G speeds. Who cares about 5G? I don't personally. Take 5G out of this phone, you get it even cheaper. All-day battery life, go up to 24 hours without needing to recharge RAZR. Wow, okay. I'm just saying, that is a statement right there. And it runs Motorola's launcher on top, which is called MyUX. That makes sure that your phone looks and feels exactly how you want it, whilst access to Google's suite of apps and a more pure version of Android. This is very good. I'm liking this. So yeah, 8 gigabytes of RAM. It's running the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor. It's got a Adreno 620 GPU inside there. I don't know much about that. The 256 gigabytes. It seems that that's the only storage option. There's no micro SD available in this. The rear fingerprint sensor is all in the Motorola button. I'm really happy with that. If they added a dimple to that, that would be even better. Gen 3, I'm calling it. Battery size, yeah, it's a 2,800 milliamp hour battery. It comes with a 15 watt turbocharger as well, so that's not too bad. Main display 6.2 inch, and the external is 2.7. Foldable, so obviously the foldable display is plastic OLED, and the exterior display is glass OLED. So your resolutions then, so the main display is called HD Plus. That is a pixel density of 2142 times 876p, and your external is 800 by 600. It weighs 192 grams, comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It's made out of 7000 series aluminium, and it's got a stainless steel hinge. There's loads of colours. I think there's 3 colours, isn't there? And there's just a whole load of specs, but we're not here for that. I'm honestly telling you, people will connect with this if it gets pushed in the right way. The fact that they're making it cheap is fantastic. I would love to see a version that doesn't have 5G get this down to £1,200. Honestly, people would buy into that. But yeah, honestly, this is what you want. This is what foldable phones should be. This should be exciting. The Z Flip, the Z Fold, yes, very exciting. Yes, it's Samsung, and we all know what Samsung are like. But there's something about this that's got me really excited tonight. And as I said, Gen 3, Gen 4, I could see myself getting into this. The improvements they can make the battery bigger. I'm sure they're going to include some more power in the future as well. That screen on the front's going to get better and better and better as it goes on. But I'm saying to you now, foldable phones have to hit the mark. And yes, you can go in about specs, you can say anything you want about specifications, okay? I don't think it matters. I think people see this, they get the nostalgia kick, and it makes people feel happy, it makes people feel comfortable, it makes people feel comfortable again. And honestly, it's exactly what people want. People will look at this and think, okay, that looks really nice. It is useful. There's no gimmicks. They've just neatened it all up. They've just made things a lot nicer, and it's completely paid off for them tonight. So, Motorola, big fans. I'm telling you right now, people will love this thing if it gets pushed in the right way. The marketing seems fantastic. The colours look fantastic. It looks like a really nice thing. Honestly, I'm really happy. I'm just happy that I'm excited about something. We're this close to an Apple event next week, and my heart's on this. My heart's thinking of this, So yes, again, sorry for lack of videos. It's been a crazy time. I've got a move coming up soon, so hopefully over the next few weeks I can get this Apple event out of the way, get the move out, get this bloody video sort of like, I'll explain more when the time comes, when I actually get the product that I want. It's all postage. Honestly, there's an entire video about that itself. But yeah, so I am going to be making more content. This is the time. This is the time for me to really push it. I'm active on Twitter. In fact, I'm more active on my ADM Tech Twitter than I am on my own personal Twitter. So, thank you very much. I will be back. Hopefully, I can do this unboxing. I can give you my honest reactions to this product in a few days' time. I'm expecting it to come tomorrow, but there's one more thing that needs to come in order to make it better for you guys. Hopefully it all comes tomorrow and I can film it and get it all sorted out for you guys, and then I've uploaded 2 days in a row. Do you know what I mean? Happy days. Thank you guys for coming back. As I said, this is what I want from a foldable smartphone. This is exactly what I feel like what folding smartphones need to be. And to be honest with you, I'm really happy with this Gen 2 product. Gen 3, Gen 4, this is what's going to hit. I'm just going to say facts. It's as simple as that. There's just something about it it just pleases me, and that's that. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. Hopefully, I can upload again tomorrow or the next day. But there's definitely going to be a massive reaction to this upcoming Apple event. I'm really excited about that one. I want to be getting the next Apple Watch. I'm missing my Apple Watch quite a lot, so I'm looking forward to Series 6. If Series 6 isn't a massive upgrade, Series 5 will do me. But anyway, I'm rambling on now. I'll see you in a bit. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be ADM Tech. Don't forget to leave me a follow on Twitter. Leave a like, subscribe, you know the jazz. Hit the notification bell. We're back, baby. We're on it. Let's bloody party. I'll see you in a bit.